Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Saturday, October 10th, and you can see temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. We've got high pressure right overhead with calm conditions and clear skies, allowing for some areas to really drop off pretty quickly as we approach sunrise. So no doubt some scattered areas of frost are very likely across parts of central and north central lower Michigan this morning. You can see over here at Alma, pretty low elevation spot from there down towards Perrington, temperatures in the mid 30s. So certainly some frost possible in those areas. You can see lots of temperatures now in the low 30s across central and north central lower Michigan. But we expect a pretty nice day today with sunshine. We'll see our temperatures warm up into the low 60s and a really nice day on tap for Sunday. I think we can have highs in the 70s. And if we look at the weather map for later today, that high will drift slowly off to the east. We'll begin to see our wind shift around to the southwest. And again, that's going to bring some pretty nice warm temperatures here for Sunday and Monday with highs at least in the low 70s. But it's also going to be very gusty as we got a pretty strong system that's going to move up into Canada. And that's going to, if we take a look at the next weather map, you can see it drops down to 978 millibars, which is the equivalent of 28.88 inches of mercury. So that's a pretty deep storm that's going to be moving well north of Lake Superior towards Hudson Bay. And it'll have a pretty good cold front that'll move through the area later Monday. But there's not going to be very much moisture associated with this cold front. So I think there's a good chance that much of lower Michigan will remain dry. And if that's the case, we probably don't see any precipitation until the end of next week, when we could have some pretty chilly air moving in towards next weekend and the following week. We'll take a look at that in just a second. But again, out ahead of it, I think tomorrow we could have winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 or 35 miles per hour. And the same for Monday before that cold front moves through. And then quite a bit cooler behind it. And if we look at the 6 to 10 day outlook, I've been harping the big crash that we had about 5 days ago in the Southern Oscillation Index and how that would at some point respond with a pretty good trough across the central and eastern part of the U.S. That the models are really picking up on that now. So we got some pretty cold temperatures coming, I think, as we get towards next weekend and the following week. No doubt we'll have a pretty good freeze at some point here during that 6 to 10 or 8 to 14 day period, which you can see in the 8 to 14 day outlook. Again, would not be surprised to see this area even a little bit deeper than what's shown here. But cooler air is on the way. But for this week, again, lots of sunshine and temperatures near normal with the exception of Sunday and Monday, when we're going to be much above normal, about 10 to 15 degrees above normal. So some nice weather. We should be able to get a lot of soybeans done this upcoming week. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, a great rest of your weekend, and 73s to all.